and institutional management.
To start our day with gratitude, may we all rise for the opening prayer.
Dr. Maylene de la Cruz,
Professor Aika Dumanco.
Professor J. Razon.
Thank you all for gracing us with your presence. To formally open this event, let us hear from someone who continues to lead and inspire our academic community. It is my greatest pleasure to introduce Dr. Marlene Baliano for her opening remarks.
A pleasant good morning po for everyone. Good morning po. Kumusta? So I know some of you ay there are students, you're the students na will be scheduled for today's defense. Some of you ay mamaya magde-defense na. Meron po ba dito? Taas ang kamay, nakaschedule na ng defense. Ayan. So by 1:30 schedule na, uupo na sila to defend their paper, no? So mula today until Friday. So hopefully ay enjoy nyo lang po yung day, no? Talagang lahat po ay dadaan sa ganyan. Okay? So, ayan. So again, good morning po. A pleasant good morning po to everyone, distinguished guests and colleagues, and aspiring researchers. It is my great honor to welcome you all to this gathering where we celebrate the journey of ideas, raw and refined and full of potentials, transforming into polished research pearls that illuminate knowledge and inspire innovation. The theme, From Grits to Gloss, Polishing Ideas into Research Pearls, beautifully captures the essence of research. Just as pearls are formed through patience, persistence, and resilience, so too are groundbreaking studies born from curiosity, determination, and the courage to refine. Today, we are not only here to share findings and insights, but also to recognize the grit behind every research endeavor. The sleepless night, the revisions, the setbacks, and the gloss that emerge when perseverance meets creativity. May this event remind us that every idea, no matter how rough at first, holds the potential to shine. Diba? So let us continue to support one another in polishing these ideas until they become pearls that enrich our disciplines and benefits the society. On behalf of the organizer, our heads, Dr. Javier and Dr. Dison, I thank you for being part of this meaningful occasion. Let us begin this journey together with open minds and inspired hearts. Thank you very much.
Our research speaker for today, Professor and Dr. Antonio F. Alejandro of CGSP.
Dr. Alejandro is a distinguished scholar and management consultant with extensive expertise in the fields of business, hospitality, and tourism.
His remarkable career spans 28 years in the industry after retirement and continues for more than 30 years in academia, where he is highly regarded for his commitment to student success and delivering high-quality instruction.
He is currently a member of the Board of Directors of the Association of Administrators in Hospitality, Hotel, and Restaurant Management, Educational Institutions. Serving as the Vice President for the National Capital Region, he is also a certified guest service professional and a two-time recipient of the Dangal ng Bayan from the City of Malabon in 2024 and 2025.
His work continues to influence the landscape of business and education, fostering growth and development in his student and professional endeavors.
Let us give him our full attention as he shares his knowledge and expertise. Dr. Alejandro, the floor is yours.
Maraming salamat sa generous na introduction. Mabuhay! Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Isang umaga.
Nung pinapakinggan ko po yung MC nyo, so may question. I was also informed by Doc J that you are around 500. So meaning, hindi kasi kayo kasya rito, kaya selected. So meaning when you are
Because you're solving the main problem.
solving your main problem, bakit pag wala kang pera, hindi mo nasusolve kung paano kang pupong ng pera? Diba that's a problem, di ba? So all you have to do is to look possibility. What are the things that you need to consider? You have money. Ano pa po ba? Sige lang. Grupo po. Yung group. Pinag-usapan nyo. So basically, there is possibility that groups convene to brainstorm service quality class. Siguro yung mga nagpapandak na research ngayon addressing the service quality, may encounter yung si Parasol. But at the end of the day, it never happened to end on that point. Until now, 2026, it is also a most utilized jury, in service quality jury. It's a part of the success. So practice, practice, practice. As always, in terms of my talk, tandaan, research is fun and research is life.
Yeah, good morning, Doc. My question po is, what is your personal opinion or insights in the use of AI into polishing ideas into research first?
Yan. Kaya lang, pag diniscuss ko to, kailangan naman another 2 hours, 3 hours. But let us have a simplified version. Sorry, gumagal lang ako kasi kahit na ganito kong tingnan, senior na ako. Sumasakit yung likod ko. Pero kahit pa paano, sabi, di ba naman ako senior eh. No? Sa tingin, no? That's a good question, sir. No? Wala tayong magagawa. AI will be here. Ang tanong, what is the ethical use of AI? There are journals po ngayon accepting the usage of AI unless you cite that you need assistance from AI. But there are tools na somehow allowed by any journal sites. Hindi lahat ng journal nag-accept ng usage of AI unless you disclose. Don't hesitate to disclose. Pero huwag yung sabihin, we are using AI to choose our own topic. We choose AI to argue and so on. Mali yun. The only application of AI is for editing purposes and at the same time to refine and polish your grammar and the continuity of your paper. But all your creative thinking should come from you. And yet, kailangan naka-disclose. Marami na ngayong journal class. Nakalagay doon, OpenAI 2016, blah 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 blah. So, nalagay yung citation na yan. Dito yun naman sasabihin. However, according to Baliano, 2021, it contradicts the result of Sabordo 2020 in the aspect of the emotional attachment of participant because she's the mother. So yun yung mga item. Ay, Christine. Dito na kita.
Alright, Doc, good morning. So, question ko lang po, saan po yung boundary po sa mga findings na talagang sure na sure tayo at saka yung mga hindi pa? Kasi usually po, di ba, yung recommendation, nagbe-base po tayo sa findings para magkaroon po tayo magandang recommendation. So, saan po yung boundary po doon sa findings na talagang sure tayo at saka sa mga uncertain pa po? Thank you.
Thank you for that question, or the Miss Universe question. Alam nyo, pagdating sa findings, walang boundary. So that's your creative thinking in terms of putting the implications of your finding in terms of research. So meaning, let's talk about quantitative. If you have quantitative, merong numerical value for you to discuss what happened to that value. But in the qualitative, kailangan mong i-reach yourself in terms of your emotional attachment to your participant. The good thing with quali, lahat yun, sasabihin nyo pag nag-quote-unquote kayo, sasabihin nyo, nangalumbaba yung participant, umiyak yung participants. Kasama yun. That's your emotional attachment to your participant. So in terms of the finding,
Thank you very much for helping us reach enlightenment by answering our questions. We will now proceed with the awarding of certificate of Dr. Antonino F. Alejandro.
Knowledge and experience pervading as a resource speaker in CHIM 2026 Research Colloquium, From Grit to Glows, Polishing Ideas into Research Pearls, given this May 4, 2026 at Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City Campus.
As we conclude our morning session, let us hear a closing message from our Tourism and Management SWEP Coordinator, Christine Soborto Dalisay.
So good morning to everyone. I speak on behalf of Dr. Armin Javier. She can be with us today. But I'm sure that today we dug into a very deep well of information because I'm sure you have gathered a lot of invaluable knowledge regarding research from no other than Doc Noy. He's really an expert on that matter. So we're very thankful that you came all the way, as you mentioned, Doc Noy, you came far and wide just to be at Fairview, to be with us this morning. So thank you so much. Our sincerest appreciation for your time and effort to be with us. And of course to Doc Baliano and to all the research teachers who initiated coming up with this event. So this is for all of you, all research students, tourism and hospitality students. So with that, thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you, Ma'am Christine Saporta Dalisay, for the closing remarks.
We now invite everyone, especially our guests, to the front for the official group photo.
This also marks the official declaration of the Research Colloquium 2026 as open. Please be guided to your respective rooms for consultation with our research administrators.
Have a wonderful day, everyone, and keep striving for excellence in research.
Thank you and goodbye.
Ayan, final announcement po. So, final announcement po sa ating mga student. Remember po, yung naka-assign po ngayon, yung mga 1:30, so go to your respective room for your defense. And then, yung may naka-assign po na grupo din, okay, na section for the food, tama ba? For breakfast, for lunch, and for PM snacks, di po ba? So, inassign ko po kayo in a way na hindi po kayo mag-defense on that day. Tama? Para po hindi po kayo abala. Okay? So, it doesn't mean po, kung kailan kayo magde-defense, kayo po yung magpe-prepare ng food na yon. Hindi po. Nakalagay po sa schedule, yung mismo kung kailan po kayo magpe-prepare, sino po ang mga panels ninyo. Okay? Naka-assign ko dun sa ating sinet na schedule. Makikita niyo po yun dun po sa, nabigay po yun sa group GC namin ng colloquium. And then yung representative po, alam din po niya. Okay? So, if you have any questions po about anything, about your research, please, punta lang po kayo sa inyong respective professors sa research. Thank you po.
Okay na. Okay, we're done. Galing.
Ano po yung file? 4 file na red.
Thank you, Mike.